So this is a hickory nut that I found at Art Trail today, Christmas 2018. So I'm gonna see if I can open it and see what is inside of it. I don't know if it looks like a walnut or a pecan inside. I don't even know what to expect. So what's inside of a hickory nut? Okay, it's cracking a little bit easier than I thought. The other thing that I want to say before we go any further, there was a little chisel point right here. Looks like a squirrel had had an opportunity to get a head start on it, maybe. What's inside of a hickory nut? There we go. Okay, so far it kind of looks like a pecan on the inside. Now this one's kind of dried up. Okay. Yeah, it does. Or a walnut. It just looks almost like a smaller version of a walnut, a hickory nut. I think on the description at the Art Trail sign it said something like that it looked like it was akin to a walnut. So okay, I'm kind of destroying this as I go. I'm just trying to see if I could get some of this nut meat out of here without destroying the whole entire structure. No, possibly not. There goes a little piece of it. Yeah, I would say if I was going to call a hickory nut, I would say that the inside of it is like a walnut. Now that one's pretty shriveled, but you can definitely see the resemblance. It's just like a smaller version, isn't it? There you go. So now we know what's inside of a hickory nut.